Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you get coupon codes for Surfshark website. That is a website on whenever you will find anything. So I'm just telling you the coupon codes for this website where you can get up to 85% discount on your subscription. So this is quite attractive and this is also reliable to do. What we have to do, just click on your Safari browser here, open it and type on your search bar Surfshark coupon code 2023, and after that you just have to scroll to the down and click on the coupon follow website here. That is a good website for all the coupons, and here you can see save 85% with the Surfshark coupon. Click on that option here, and this is the code. You can just note it down, that is holidays 19, and you can just copy it from here and then continue to the Surfshark website, and here you can just paste this code and get that offer. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. Keep watching, keep loving.